Introducing the 2021 GMC Yukon XL. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, a rear window wiper, a trailer hitch, a roof rack, and air conditioning. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.